The rice sheet maker's ASM865CE with no wrapping function are compact and low cost. By keeping the wrapping process manual, this machine allows for more flexibility in operations. Apply AUTEC oil spray adequately to the necessary parts before operation. Assemble these machine parts correctly. First, put the rice in. Then close the lid for safety purposes. Turn on the power switch. Make rice mats on a trial basis without putting sheets of seaweed on the slide base. Adjust the thickness, length, and position of rice mats. And continue making rice mats on a trial basis until ideal rice mats come out. The amount of rice will vary depending on temperature, rice condition, and so on, even if the scale is set at the same position. Keep your own records to ensure desired results. As the machine remembers 3 different kinds of settings for rolling out rice mats, you do not need to set the values every time. After preparations are finished, start making rice mats. Place a sheet of seaweed on the unit against the catches on the front edge of the tray and press the start button. A rice mat comes out on the sheet of seaweed. You can select feeding rice on the seaweed or attaching seaweed onto rice mats depending on your operation. The attached plastic pick plate assists operations in efficiency and speed. As the wrapping operation is manual, it can handle any special size of fillings. As optional parts, we provide metal pick plates, wrapping tools, and foot switches. Using these makes operations more efficient. The lighter machine parts simplify daily cleaning, assembling, and disassembling. This machine can handle various operations with its fusion of rice mat maker technology with handmade rolls. The rice sheet maker's ASM865CE.